Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to remember vitamin B complex. The B complex is a group of 8 water-soluble vitamins, each vital for various bodily functions. These include B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12. Understanding their individual roles is key to remembering them effectively. Let's dive into some simple strategies to master this important group of nutrients. One of the most effective ways to remember the B-complex vitamins is through mnemonic devices. Try creating a catchy phrase where each word's first letter corresponds to a B vitamin. For example, the race neatly performed by F1 crews can help you recall thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, pyridoxine, biotin, folate, and cobalamin. This method provides a quick and fun way to recall all 8 names in order, making learning much easier. To solidify your memory, link each B vitamin to a specific, easy-to-recall function or characteristic. For instance, think of B1, thiamine, as the T for tired nerves needing energy. B2, riboflavin, can be remembered for R in red blood cell production. B3, niacin, is N for nourishing skin. B12, cobalamin, is C for cognitive health. Creating these simple associations makes recall much faster. Consistent practice is key to long-term retention. Make it a habit to review the B vitamin names and their primary functions a few times a week. Try associating them with specific foods you eat, like whole grains for B1 or leafy greens for B9. Even better, explain the B complex to a friend or family member. Teaching others is a powerful way to solidify your own understanding and recall.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.